Lightning L-Drago 145D and Galaxy Orso ED145 LF. Requested by Maros Berkey, let's do it. Round 1! And yeah, L-Drago goes first because I just decided to do that. Whoa, come on! Whoa, what a nice tilt. Whoa, where was Orso going to? Whoa, nice hit. Come on, steam out. Come on. Whoa, multiple clashes. Oh, what is happening to Orso? He's getting off balance. So I lost my words right there. But anyway, it's L-Drago for the win. And there you go, guys. L-Drago 1 or uno and Orso 0. No. Bye-bye. Out. Round 2. Whoa, right on attack. Round 3. Whoa, right on attack. And oh, nice. Last but final round. I mean, considering we're tied 2-2, so that's pretty logical. Whoa, come on. Whoa. Oh, slammed into the bases of Pit and Dark Pit. That's amazing. So, Lightning L-Drago is our winner. So, people like, comment, subscribe. We'll subscribe back to you. Don't forget to put this on English on my captions. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Maros Berkey. He's a really good friend of mine. So, anyway, my launcher's there. Oh, sorry, amiibos. I know. They look like they're at a tilted awkwardness. I mean, especially Pit and Dark Pit. Like, seriously. Okay, but anyway, bye guys. Follow 2 thumbs out. Bye.